RRB NTPC Graduate 2025 Most repeated question. First question. Find the surface area of a sphere whose diameter is equal to 98 centimeter. Surface area of a sphere. Formula 4 pi r square. ఇక్కడ మనకు డయామీటర్ ఇచ్చిండు 98. We want to find radius by 2. 49 is equal to radius. Here find the surface area of the sphere. 4 pi r square. 4 pi radius 49 into 49 by 49 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into 49 into 49 7 1 ja 7 7 ja. We want to multiply all this. 4 into 22 88 into 7 into 49 88 into 7 9 ja 63 7 4 ja 28 34 344 into 8. We want to multiply this. We want to multiply this. 8 8 ja 8 3 ja 24 8 4 ja 32 34 8 3 ja 24 27. We multiply all this. We get 30,184 centimeter square. Next question. 7:9 7:x. Find the value of x. 7:9 7:x. Process is product of extremes is equal to product of means. Here extremes are 7x, means are 9 7. 7 into x is equal to 9 into 7. 7 cancel. X is equal to 9. Find the value of x is equal to 9. Second option. Next question. The average of first 14 whole numbers. We want to know what are the whole numbers. Whole numbers are starting from 0 0 1 2 3 so on. We want to know natural numbers also. Natural numbers are starting from 1 2 3. Whole numbers, natural number difference is whole numbers is starting from 0, natural number starting from 1. The average of first 14 whole numbers 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus so on plus 13. 14th number is 13. First number is 0, so first number plus last number by 2. We want to get the average of first 14 whole numbers. 0 plus 13 by 2 divided by 2 we get 6.5. The second option is our answer.